To buy a ticket, and this is for the room, to use the room. So this is how the ticket machine looks like. Right, if you can use coins, they will tell you can use coins, but in this machine we only use card. So and they also say that you can only use credit or debit cards. When you come to the machine, its system is created in a way that it only shows this kind of tickets. This is in a promo, so if you buy 3 tickets, one ticket is always €1.50, but if you buy 3, then you won't pay for the card because it's a paper card. The ticket it's 50 cents. You can recharge it later after using it. Because once you use the 100 minutes of that ticket, it expires and you can come and recharge it. You need just to place the ticket here. So you have to choose the language that you speak. Choose that, and then you say you can directly buy the kind of promos they're giving you, or if you just want one ticket, you go there and buy. So one ticket is €1.50, and for the card it's 50 cents. But afterwards you can always recharge it. So it's 50 cents, and you choose the number of tickets you want. I only want one, but the payment method is only card because they say yeah, you can only pay. So say I choose card. But on the other side, if you need more travel, so if you want these are the options. If you want 24 hours, it's €7.40. If you want more options, you click there and you get a weekly, 72 hours, and those are the prices. But I just want to buy one ticket and plus 50 cents for the cost of rechargeable card. They put it there. So the card is 50 cents, but the ticket is €1.50. So say I want to pay, they say I have to put my card. And I have to put my PIN. After putting my card here, I have to put my PIN and confirm. Then I have to take my card out. Okay, they say take my card out. So it's €2. And then now my card is being processed. I should pick it from down here. Okay, my card is ready. Do you want to print a receipt? Yes, suppose I want. What's the receipt, friends? So that's the receipt. So once you make there's a card, they say no. Main thing is recyclable. This thing is trying to focus on my hand instead of the cards. So here's the ticket, and this is the 50 cent tickets. That's the This is the ticket. You can write your name. Place your name. Economy is your surname and your date of birth. But this is the barcode that you use to open the gate. So say I want to recharge it. Say I've opened the gate and it has expired, and I want to recharge it. You come back to the machine and put it in. Once I put it, the machine detects, it's telling me the card is still active. And you want to buy another ticket, you just select, because you are recharging this. You select, and then you pay, and then the number of tickets you bought will stay in this card. But if you're recharging it, it will only give you a few options. Because say you're buying new cards, it only gives you these options. Like there is no, you can buy 2 hours, you can buy three travels, or 5 or 10, which each is 100 minutes after using it. And that's it. So cancel, yeah. So that's how you go about it. But if you want to open the gates with this card, because it's not like the old cards. If you want to open the gate, previously we used to take the card in this slot, but this new card, use it here. Put the barcode over here and it opens. If you have an ATM, you can tap your ATM card or your phone with the NFC card to open the gate. It will just deduct 1.50. Tap your card or your phone. This must all that. But for these cards with the barcode, tap them on this barcode reader. So if you tap it here, it goes green and you tap it. So that's just it. And now you have to wait like 100 minutes for it to expire. You can use it in the metro, you can use it in the buses, you can use it in the regional trains that run within Rome. So I don't need to go out, I'm just using this to showcase because I have a 1-year ticket. But there's a people buying tickets. So this ticket, you can use it. You can use it in the regional trains. So this kind of ticket, you can use it on these lines. You can use it in Metro A, Metro B, Metro C. You can use it on this Urban Railway. You can use it on the regional railways, F1, F2. You can't use it on Leonardo Express. You can't use it on the Leonardo Express, but you can use it on the trams, and that's just it. But if you're using it on the regional trains and the urban railway, if you reach these red stops, they don't function after the red stop. Say you are using the regional train F1, when you reach Setebagini, then this ticket doesn't work on the regional trains after this stop. It only works within the metropolitan city, the cities that are within the metropolitan city. So if say you're using this and you reach this stop in FM2, you need to buy a ticket that will take you afterwards. But this only works up to this point in the regional trains. In Metro C it works everywhere, in Metro A it works everywhere. In the buses, the Atac buses, it works everywhere. It doesn't work on the Leonardo Express and the intercity railways, it doesn't work on that. It works on the regional trains from Rome, the ones that are located here, F1 to FL1 to FL8. All those stops they have like this is FL2. This is the last stop where you can use this kind of ticket on the regional trains. But on the buses and metro and tram, it works everywhere within the world. If you're using FL4, you can see FL4. These are your last stops to use it. If you're using FL1, this is your last stop. This is to the airport actually. But this stop, you can't use this ticket afterwards. The bus tickets or the local tickets of the tram. But that's the map for Rome and metro. The train networks within Rome. And you can check the map also at Atac.com. So Atac is the company that gives us these tickets.